Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You know, we have completed the first half exercise of unit number 5. In my today's lecture, I will complete the second half of this unit. Let's start the exercise from the denotation and connotation. What is a denotation? It is the dictionary and literal meaning of a word, जिसे हम उर्दू में लुग़वी मानी कहते हैं. And what is the connotation? It is the emotional, contextual, cultural meaning attached to a word, shades and degrees of meaning, जिसे हम उर्दू में इस्तिलाही मानी कहते हैं. So let's start to solve the exercise. Here are some examples. Home, house, residence, dwelling. और इनके denotation meanings हैं. All these words mean a place in which someone lives. अब आते हैं इसके connotation meanings पर. Home का है cozy, loving, comfortable, feeling of security. House, the actual building. Residence, cold, without feeling. And dwelling का है primitive और basic. ये है इसके connotation meanings. Now let's start option number C. Which connotation is more positive? इस exercise में हमने connotations put करने हैं, लेकिन दो ऑप्शंस दी गई हैं. दोनों में से जो ज्यादा पॉजिटिव है उनको यहाँ पर पुट करना है. We saw dash animals in the zoo, and the answer is fascinating. Some of the monkeys made dash faces, and the answer is amusing. Everyone had a dash on his or her face on the way home, and the answer is smile. Now let's move to the next option. Which connotation is more negative? यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शंस हैं, दोनों में से जो ज्यादा नेगेटिव है हमने उनको फिल करना है ब्लैंक्स में. So let's start from the option number A. We bought dash souvenirs at the Cura mines, and the answer is inexpensive. The next one is I ate a dash sandwich, and the answer is soggy. The next option is I don't like the dash on the Chester's face, and the answer is smirk. The next one is each made me feel, and the answer is frightened. Now let's move to the next option, that is a metaphor, a figure of speech in which an implied comparison is made between two unlike things. मेटाफर में दो मुख्तलिफ चीज़ों का आपस में मुआवजा किया जाता है, और इसके लिए हम as और like का वर्ड यूज नहीं करते. जैसा कि सिमिली में हम एक कैटेगरी की चीज का उसकी सेम कैटेगरी की चीज के साथ मुआवजा नहीं कर सकते. सेम केस इज विद द मेटाफर. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट सम एग्जांपल्स. ही वाज अ लायन इन द बैटल. द स्ट्राइकर वाज अ गोल मशीन. द मून वाज अ मिस्टी शैडो. Now let's solve the exercise. The next option is select the choice that explains the meaning of the metaphor as it is used in the sentence. The first one is Junaid is an ox. The metaphor is an ox means Junaid is strong. The next one is Walid is real couch potato. The metaphor couch potato means Walid is lazy. Now let's move to the next option. Shahid is a volcano after hearing his brother borrowed his car without permission. The metaphor Shahid is a volcano means, and the answer is Shahid is angry. The fourth one is Lubna is the apple of her father's eye. The metaphor Lubna is the apple means Lubna is loved by her father. The next one is Maria was feeling blue after her cat hit by a car. The metaphor feeling blue means Maria was sad. The next one is Firas is a giant in his class, towering a foot over his classmates. The metaphor Firas is a giant means, and the answer is Firas is tall. Let's move to the next option, that is personification. It is a figurative language technique where an object or idea is given human traits or characteristics. पर्सोनिफिकेशन में हम किसी चीज़ या आइडिया को इंसानी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के ज़रिए बयान करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इस पोएम में पोएट कहता है फ्लावर्स वर फ्लटरिंग एंड डांसिंग इन द ब्रीज. तो डांस करना एक ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द ग्रामर पोर्शन, ट्रांजिटिव एंड intransitive verbs. Students, as you know the difference between the transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs ऐसे verbs होते हैं जो अपने साथ object लेकर आते हैं, और intransitive verbs ऐसे verbs हैं जो अपने साथ object नहीं लेकर आते. Now let's move to the option number A. Pick out the verb in each sentence and state whether it is transitive or intransitive. Okay students, let's solve the exercise. The sun shines brightly. Shines is an intransitive verb. I hear a noise. Hear is a transitive verb. Ali drives the car carefully. Drives is a transitive verb. You got angry with your sister. Got is a transitive verb. Sarmat ate a lot of sweets. Ate, transitive verb. Everyone tried very hard to win the race. Tried is also a transitive verb. And the next one is she knows the secret. Knows is an intransitive verb, क्योंकि ये अपने साथ object नहीं लेकर आया. Some verbs can be used both transitively and intransitively. Examples: she hangs the painting on the wall. The painting hangs on the wall. कि कुछ ऐसे अल्फाज जिन्हें हम transitively और intransitively के तौर पर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Now let's move to the option number B. Make two sentences with each of the given words. Use these first as a transitive verb and then as an intransitive verb. So let's make the transitive verb. So let's use these verbs first as a transitive verbs. Write. She is writing a letter. Play. He is playing cricket. Sing. She sings a song. Read. Boys are reading a poem. Plan. I am planning to build a new house. Move. He is moving a stone. अब हम इन वर्ड्स को as intransitive verb यूज करते हैं. The first one is write. She writes. Play. He plays well. The next one is sing. Salma sings sweetly. The next one is read. They are reading silently. And the next one is plan. I am planning. And the last one is move. He is moving quickly. Now let's move to the next option, that is preposition of movement and direction. Students, as you know, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word that expresses position. Prepositions ऐसे अल्फाज हैं जो noun का दूसरे अल्फाज के साथ ताल्लुक जाहिर करते हैं. Fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. Now let's move to solve the exercise. Let's solve the exercise. Sarah is getting out of the taxi. Shiraz is going up the ladder. The furniture is in the van. My friend lives in a flat near a shop. The boss is coming out of the corridor. There is a garage in the house. We walked to the lake. Their statue outside the museum. Hassan and Ali were walking in the stadium. Let's start the next option. Where did the fly go? Put in these prepositions appropriately. Around, into, on, out of, through, under, up. हमने इन अल्फाज को यूज करते हुए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है इस पिक्चर को मद्देनजर रखते हुए. Let's solve the exercise. The fly came in through the door. It flew around the chair. It crawled up the chair back, chair leg. It stopped on the desk for a moment. It went up the telephone. It flew into the drawer. It went out the window. Let's start the next option. Put in the correct form of the verb to complete the following sentences in the passive voice. As you have read all the rules and regulations of the active and passive voice in the 9th class. If you still find any kind of confusion, you can concern from the lectures of Miss Uzma Farhad. So let's solve the exercise. We were sent a letter the day before yesterday. This car was not stolen, too old. A new restaurant was being opened last week. He was invited to the party yesterday. I was being given the book by my friend. Okay students, we have completed the exercise of unit number 5. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.